Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your graphic settings on the Mini Militia game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your game on your device, and after opening up the game and logging into your account, you will end up within the main menu. Now from the main menu page, if you wish to modify any graphics, you can tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. Now from the gear icon page, just tap on Game and you will be able to choose various graphic options. You can choose the default zoom level, and you can also choose your screen size. You can choose between normal and double screen size, and if you scroll down, you can also choose which side you want the movement as well as aiming features to appear. From the general tab, you can modify the blood settings to turn it off and on. After modifying all of these settings, you can go back to your game, and the graphic settings that you just selected will be applied immediately. And now when you start your game, the game will begin with the graphic selections that you made. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings on the Mini Militia game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.